Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. Here to talk to you about the Boston Whaler 2020 240 Dauntless Pro. The Pro is actually the tower they have up there. You can actually drive the boat from up there. You have the same controls up as you do down. Really nice as far as fishing, spotting the bait, all that. Fantastic option. Really cool. The profile on the Dauntless is absolutely gorgeous. It can get into the backwaters very easily. It can also take you out into the Gulf, into the deeper waves, no problem at all. So it's powered by the Mercury, 300 horsepower, plenty of horsepower for this boat. So let's hop on board and see the rest. Here we are on board the 240 Pro. Let's start at the back. A couple of nice seats that it's a fishing platform, or you can put cushions with backrests on it, make a couple of comfy seats in the back. Convenient live well, good size live well, so it's not it's right where you need it. You've got a large Yeti cooler with a dedicated storage that actually will slide, and you've got the two-toned upholstery on the seat as well as the bow cushions as well. We get the digital throttle and shift, and then you can pick whatever electronics that you want. Raymarine, Simrad, Garmin, whatever you decide. Plenty of room to do that. So down here we've got a pump out head. The boat just came in, so it has all its cushions and everything all in here, but you do have the pump out head. And then a nice big bow area. So you've got a seat here, which also has a second live well. So you got one forward, one back. Fantastic for fishing. The seats will actually pick up when you're not fishing. Very comfortable one on both sides. And you also have a big fish box right here as well. So comfy seats if you're going out for a picnic or lunch or to the beach. Volume control right there. It's set up exceptionally well for fishing as well. It does everything very, very well. So if you'd like to see it, please give me a call. My name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.